deserve to be punished.
Your support to the Chief Executive. Pag po nag-withdraw kayo ng suporta sa kanya, wala na siyang ibang magagawa kundi bababa sa pwesto niya.
He remains to be a professional organization. Very clear po yung mandate namin. We will protect the Constitution and we will follow the duly constituted authorities. In other words, we will follow the chain of command. And the President is our Commander-in-Chief.
Well, win some, lose some. Masaya rin ako. Umasa yung dalawang importanteng bills ko. Yung divorce at saka yung cannabis. Yung medical marijuana pumasok. Well, hopefully pagbalik medyo marami pa rin yung pwedeng mga importanteng bills na pwedeng pumasa. Sige, salamat sa inyo.
Sige po.